Guys, today we are doing slime and let's get started. First, we need glue with a container. Then add water. So, after we add water, I'm too lazy to, but who cares?
I saw lights at the end of the road, but the road keeps on turning. Keeping the fight till the end. I'm taking the blows, but the blows keep on hurting. Broken and wasted, I spend my life chasing the questions and answers to love, life, and cancer. I can't go much longer. I wish I was stronger to hold back my tears and to drive back my fears to hell. In the air from the flame to put out the fire, but the fire keeps on raging. I'm keeping my head in the game to stay on the lines, but the lines keep on changing.
Bath and Body Works. It's so good.
Broken and wasted, I spend my life chasing the questions and answers to love, life, and cancer. I can't go much longer. I wish I was stronger to hold back my tears and to drive back my fears to hell. Fears to hell.
Times when I was just a little kid, I bunch of playing games was all I ever did. Take me to a place where all my fears will disappear. Cause I felt who and who just that is all I ever hear. Take me back to times when I was just a little kid, I bunch of playing games was all I ever did. Take me to a place where all my fears will disappear. Cause I felt who and who just that is all I ever hear.
Broken and wasted, I spend my life chasing the questions and answers to love, life, and cancer. I can't go much longer. I wish I was stronger to hold back my tears and to drive back my fears to hell.
Oh, I think I overactivated. Hopefully not. Hopefully I did not overactivate it. I think I did not activate it. I think. Only I think. Okay. I'm putting this on my, yeah, it's definitely sticky. Although this slime is small, I think I would make this a jiggly slime. It's very clicky, although sticky. Yeah, it's sticky a lot. Oh, this is very pretty. And it's small. You don't want to see the mess I'm making on the table. Okay, drops. If you're making slime, by the way, you have to use like, what's it called? I also don't know about it. Yeah, you can find out from my other videos. I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm lazy too. I'm lazy to read right now. I could link. I will. Yeah, I'm not gonna link. I'm lazy. And I don't even know how to link anyway. This slime is stretchy. Yeah, I'm gonna write it in the description below. What ingredients I use. But now I don't know the brand. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna get water right now. Yeah, guys, LOL. I meant okay. I got so little water. But who cares? Hopefully it works. I'm gonna remove this. Whew. And if you think I should do another series for Gacha Life, now I'm starting to use Gacha Life rather than Gachaverse also. Tell me what kind of movie should I make, or maybe a season. Cause I have no idea what to do right now. Cause all my Gacha ideas are all run out. Yeah. Maybe I should recreate my friend in real life to Gacha Life, maybe? Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking about other videos plan. It's getting sticky. Oh, it broke. Okay, I'm gonna just stick it in. I'm gonna stick it in. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, so cute. Oh, yes. Please work. So cool. I'm gonna adjust the light. Okay, this is the highlight I can do. Yeah, I can't do it. Yeah, I don't know how can I make you see me clearer. Yeah. And maybe next video I'll make it more brighter. Comment below. Also comment below if next video what you want me to do. Yeah, you're not gonna do it watery and jiggly. I'm gonna try playing it as like a slime. Yeah, too small. I won't make it. Sorry for the gross sound. Okay, now it's gross. What does it look like? Maybe you can, if you want me to do shout out, maybe you could like shout out below and comment it #shout out. and maybe in next video I'll give you a shout out. Okay, and sticky. It's got like glue. Yeah, can tell because you can feel it, but yeah, it's sticky. Yeah, rubbery. Maybe this could be a ball. Maybe a sun ball. Yeah, it can be a ball now. Wait, let me read all those. I'll read the brands of this and I'll link it. No, I'm not gonna link it because I don't know how to link. Yeah, I know I suck. But I'm gonna do like a, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the description. It's cool. Cool slime. Should I put more water? Should I try playing something that I never tried before? I suck at it. Okay, yeah, I suck. Can it be a ball? Let us test it. Yes, yeah, it could be a ball. I want it to be slime. Maybe in the end of the video I should play slime, but I don't have any good slime right now. Maybe next time? If you're interested in following my social media, I bet you won't, but I'll put it in the description below. Like right down there, there's an arrow and you can go down there. Look at how dirty my hands are. Okay, I should end this video soon before anything starts getting worse. What have I done? I broke it. So if you can't hear me because I got a mic, but I don't know how to use it, so sorry. Comment below next time should I do a voiceover, my first voiceover, because I never done it before. So yeah, got it? It smells good. Yeah, you can smell it. Okay, yeah. So goodbye, cause this time is slime bag. Yeah, the video. So peace out.